So what's up guys, and as the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is about to launch in 1st of September at Unpacked Part 2, we have almost every information about the smartphone. Recently, Samsung itself revealed the custom Galaxy Z Fold 2, which is looking stunning. There will be 4 different color options for the hinge, which includes platinum silver, rich gold, ruby red and sapphire blue. According to report, the company will allow custom hinge colors on orders that are placed on Samsung official website only. Also, there is a classic version of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 that is the Tom Brown edition. We also saw the collaboration of New York City-based fashion designer Tom Brown with Samsung in the Galaxy Z Flip Tom Brown edition, which was 4 times expensive than the regular Galaxy Z Flip. So I think it's gonna be same for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 Tom Brown edition, but it can't be priced 4 times since it already has a huge price range. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 Tom Brown edition is expected to cost somewhere between 2500 to 3000 euro. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 itself won't be manufactured in very large quantities, so the Tom Brown edition will be even more rare, so having it on your pocket will make you feel so special. Moving on to specs, the phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, and it has 6.2-inch Super AMOLED cover display with HDR10 Plus capabilities with 60Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2260 by 816. The larger dynamic AMOLED 2X foldable display has a 7.6-inch diagonal screen size with 120Hz refresh rate and 2208 by 1768 resolution. Although the Galaxy Z Fold 2 features the ultra thin glass, the panel reportedly features an additional plastic protective film. The phone has triple camera setup housing a 12MP f2.2 ultra-wide shooter, a 12MP f1.8 wide angle and 12MP f2.4 telephoto lens, which is capable to record videos at 4K resolution as well as slow motion clips at 960 fps. At the front, we can see the Infinity O display featuring 10MP selfie camera of f2.2 aperture, which can record 4K video at 60 fps and take advantage of HDR10 Plus, hyperlapse, night mode and Bixby vision as well. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is powered by 2 batteries with a combined capacity of 4500 mAh, capable of 25W fast charging, 11W wireless charging and also the wireless power share. It is expected to last for 31 hours on a single charge when limited to 4G connectivity. With being said that, the phone runs Android 10 in One UI 2.5 and comes with a new features like Flex Mode and the ability to run 3 apps simultaneously. Well, if you don't know what Flex Mode is, you can see it on this video from Jimmy's Pro. You can see the slide fold can separate it like 2 different devices and different application will run differently in this mode. And if you wanna watch his video, it's linked down in the description below. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is expected to cost around 2000 euro in Europe and 1799 euro in the United Kingdom. Beside this, there is an affordable foldable phone coming soon, like I reported in my previous video. Samsung officially listed a support web page for the smartphone having model number SM-F415F on its website for the Indian market. According to Sam Mobile, the phone could use the Snapdragon 7th generation chipset and could cost around $1000. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel for the latest tech updates.